asuntosykeyhtiö Espoon Taimenpuro.
Yes, today's the 11th of July 2022. We have Leppävaarankatu, Leppävaarankatu, 19 staircase speed. We're starting from the staircase speed, then we'll go to the staircase here. It's in Alberta, Leppävaara, Espoo, in the Espoo region, also in Finland. Interesting, yes, it was also built in 2000 because you see there's a touch panels inside, but that's outer release, but it could have been finished in late 2000.
Yeah.
It says on the glass and 99 2000 on the door still, but it's finished in late 2000.
Yeah.
Turned 20 years old in 2020, and it should have been inspected last year, 2021. December is 1395B, probably the last letters A in the staircase. I'll say it soon.
Yeah.
It was probably finished in December 2000.
Yeah.
It's one of the very first ones where the callback is very given time to be found in Finland.
Yeah.
But inside is still the touch bones. Very interesting find.
Yeah.
Deserves a second ride. Another bonnet door rail.
Yeah. It's petite document maintained by Schindler.
Coney actually.
Ah, yes.
That's it. Thank you for watching. I really like these wine red doors.
That's